Cuisinart PrepExpress food processor turns 4 cones and 2 feed tube assemblies into 8 different cutting styles. You can slice, you can shred, you can spiralize, and for me, I immediately thought pasta Primavera. But what's replacing the pasta is beautiful zucchini. Let's get started. One of the techniques that you need to learn for this beautiful, long, stringy, spaghetti-like either zucchini or carrot is to press down and then stop. And when you do, it cuts off a portion or a bite-sized piece, making it perfect for this pasta Primavera. You can see the 5-cup bowl is ample space. In this case, I was able to do 3 medium zucchini all in one time. Let's get this on the stove. Pasta Primavera is a classic family-style dish or served individually, but I was able to use 2 feeding tubes and a couple of the cones to get this job done. It was my extra hand in the kitchen to finish this beautiful, beautiful dish.